Let's be honest, mowing your lawn can either be super satisfying or a complete nightmare. If your mower is underpowered, hard to push, or just unreliable, it turns a simple job into a frustrating chore. So today, we're taking a close look at the YARDMAX YG2860 self-propelled lawn mower, a machine that claims to make lawn care easier, faster, and more efficient. But the real question is it actually worth buying? Or is it just another average mower with good marketing? Let's break it down step by step. Right out of the box, this mower feels solid. It's not lightweight, and honestly, that's a good thing. The build feels durable, not cheap or flimsy. You're getting a 22-inch cutting deck, which is a great size if you have a medium or slightly larger yard. And since it's gas-powered with a 201cc engine, you already know it's built for power, not just light trimming. Let's talk about performance, because that's what really matters. The 201cc engine gives this mower enough power to handle thick grass, overgrown areas, slightly uneven terrain. One thing I like is that it doesn't struggle or bog down easily. You know how some mowers just choke when the grass gets dense? This one handles it much better. And thanks to the automatic choke system, starting the mower is simple. No complicated steps, just pull and go. Now, here's one of the biggest selling points. This is a self-propelled mower, meaning it basically drives itself forward. So instead of pushing all that weight, you're just guiding it. And what makes this one even better is the CVT speed system. It adjusts to your walking speed. So whether you walk slow or fast, the mower keeps up with you naturally. That makes a huge difference, especially if you're mowing for 30-40 minutes straight. Let's talk about build quality. This mower comes with a heavy-duty steel deck, which is great for durability. It can take some abuse without feeling like it's going to fall apart. The wheel setup is also well designed. Smaller front wheels, larger rear wheels. This gives you better balance and smoother movement, especially on uneven lawns. And the tires have strong grip, so slipping isn't really an issue. Another nice touch is the foldable handle, which makes storage much easier if you don't have a lot of space. This mower is super flexible when it comes to cutting. You get 7 different height settings, so you can choose exactly how short or long you want your grass. And it's a 3-in-1 system, which means you can mulch the grass, collect it in a bag, or discharge it from the side. That gives you a lot of control depending on your lawn condition. For example, use mulching for regular maintenance. Use bagging when the lawn is messy. Use side discharge for quick cleanup. So it's not just powerful, it's versatile too. One feature that often gets overlooked is maintenance. But this mower actually makes it easy. It has a deck wash port, so after mowing, you can just connect a garden hose and clean the underside quickly. That helps prevent grass buildup and keeps the mower running smoothly over time. And trust me, cleaning your mower easily is a big deal if you use it regularly. So how does it actually perform in real life? Overall, it's reliable. It works best for medium to large lawns, thick or slightly overgrown grass, people who want less physical effort. The self-propelled system really reduces fatigue. Instead of getting tired halfway through, you can finish your lawn more comfortably. The only thing to keep in mind is, since it's front-wheel drive, it's not the best for very steep hills, but for most normal yards, it works perfectly fine. Let's quickly go over the pros and cons. Pros: strong and powerful engine, smooth, self-propelled movement, durable steel construction, multiple cutting options, easy to start and maintain. Now, cons: a bit heavy compared to smaller mowers, not ideal for steep slopes, handle could feel slightly less rigid for some users. So, is the YARDMAX YG2860 worth it? Yes, especially if you want a powerful, reliable mower that makes lawn care easier. It's not perfect, but for the price and features, it offers solid value. If you're upgrading from a basic mower, you'll definitely notice the difference. Check the link in the description for full details and pricing. And if this review helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.